Hi friends, I'm Kelsey and I'm a ghost from the Children's Creativity Museum in San Francisco. Just joking, but I am from the Children's Creativity Museum. My name is Kelsey, but I'm not a ghost. It's Halloween time! There are theories that the Halloween trick-or-treating tradition, say that 3 times fast, may have started as early as the Middle Ages when costumed actors would go door to door asking for tasty food in exchange for a performance. Nowadays, most years, we dress up in fun, fantastical costumes and go door to door filling up buckets and pillowcases and bags with sweets from generous neighbors. But what if there was another way to get candy? Enter the candy parachute system, making aerodynamics better with candy, because what can't be made better with candy, but also candy better with aerodynamics. A candy parachute is a miniature parachute made with some basic materials like a coffee filter or paper towel, some string, and of course, candy. So let's get to it. You'll need a paper towel or coffee filter or old cloth napkin. I had an old napkin, so that's what I'm using. Some string or yarn, candy, of course, supplies to decorate, and a bowl and some scissors. First up, we gotta prep our parachute. If you're using something like tissue paper or a paper towel or cloth napkin for your parachute, use something with a round rim like a bowl to trace a circle onto your future parachute. Cut along the traced line. If you're using a round coffee filter, you can skip this step. Now we have a circle, and we're going to create the holes to attach the string to later on, so then we can attach our candy. Fold your circle in half and then in half again, so in quarters, and then measure up about 1 inch and create a mark. Then I'm going to use a thumbtack to create the initial hole through the mark, and then open my parachute up and widen each hole with a pencil. For this step, be super careful. Now we decorate. To get a feel for the shape of my parachute, I kind of created a tent using my finger to see how it would look in flight and know where I wanted to add my ghost eyes. We're going to measure and cut our string. I measured out roughly 1 foot of yarn and cut, and then measured and cut 3 more lengths based on the first length that I cut. And now we're going to attach the strings to the parachute, and I used a pencil to help push the string through the holes. Once I attached all strings to the parachute, I gathered them together and created a knot of all 4 strings. And then laid my piece of candy and then knotted all strings again underneath. And now it's time to fly. It takes some trial and error, but play around and test and make adjustments and test some more until you get it just right. And there you have it, a delightful confectionery aerodynamics system. That was really hard to say. Set forth and fly. Oh, and happy Halloween. some dancing could be good.